Hello! Today we will explain different types of content online and how we can develop them in the best way. The goal is to inform and entertain people to build a relationship with prospective customers and attract your target audience. Let's start with what is the content? It is defined by content is a set of properly structured elements that carry information and can be delivered in different formats. Where the information prepared, formatted, and presented for consumption. To make this definition clearer, let's look at the different types of content that can be found online and also the different ways of delivering them. There are editorial and multimedia contents. For example, editorial content can be ebooks, newsletters, blogs, or case studies. And multimedia content can be podcast, video, vlogs, etc. The best way is to vary the contents for more success and to privilege the multimedia contents, richer because it uses more sensory modalities. Where to post these types of content? On a website or different social networks such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. The purpose is we have to define the most relevant ones for the chosen target audience. For example, if you are addressing children or teenagers, privilege the images or videos, or use case studies if you are addressing an audience that wants to be informed. In a nutshell, the distribution of editorial content is an effective way to capture the information of qualified targets. There is a multitude of content and it must provide value to the consumer. It's up to you to imagine the story you want to tell your audience and be as inventive as possible.